Did you know that the Moai statues of Easter Island, Chile, are among the most mysterious and iconic monuments in the world? Carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1400 and 1650 CE, these colossal stone figures were created to honor ancestors and tribal leaders. Each Moai can weigh up to 75 tons and stand over 10 meters tall, yet many remain partially buried, with only their heads visible above ground. Contrary to popular belief, most Moai also have full torsos beneath the surface. These impressive statues face inland, watching over the villages, and are a testament to the islanders' remarkable craftsmanship and spiritual beliefs. Easter Island remains one of the most remote inhabited places on Earth, adding to its mystique. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.